Hi Mira, I thought I would make a quick video showing you the Peak PFD. I have one here, and so you can see the adjusters. This is the front side. Now if you have a look here, you can see that we have shoulder adjusters. There is two, and these have buckles inside this neoprene cover. So also on the side we have a buckle to adjust. So that's the main adjuster like most PFDs to get it nice and tight. And then there's some buckles, there's a webbing that goes around the bottom, and this is also to adjust down the bottom here. So this is how you can get your perfect fit for your Polo PFD. Now assuming you need to reverse it for a game, you take this off, you loosen it up, but I guess you want to adjust the shoulder ones because this is your jacket anyway. So I just turn it inside out, and now you can see I have my light colour. So yeah, I have this the right way. So again, I have the shoulder, so this is just the label I cut this off. So again, I have the side adjusters, these on the outside. The only issue now is that with the shoulder buckles and the side buckles, these are actually, if I get nice and close, you probably can't see, but these are just basically on the inside. So again, you can adjust them, but it's not so easy. Same thing for the shoulder. The actual buckle is on the inside, so you can adjust it, but you're adjusting it on the inside here. Okay, so this is the reason I'd suggest to have one set white on the outside and another set dark on the outside. I hope this makes sense.